Hello, welcome to this video. In this video we want to make a video player using Python that show the millisecond. You can see that if we use Windows Media Player right now, I'm using Windows 8. You see that we have no millisecond time label, and that's important thing sometimes when you want to trim a video with up to detail, up to millisecond detail, so you need the millisecond information. So we want to make this as simple as possible like this. And when you press Q and you get the print out on the ideal the time that you press the Q, so you can mark the time that you want to start to trim your video and trim the video. So basically we want to import CV2 FFPYPLAYER and that and install this bot too and import that time. So to install the CV2 you can use pipe like this, pipe space install space OpenCV-Python. And if you want to install the FFPYPLAYER using pipe, you can use this command pipe space install space FFPYPLAYER. You must and then you can then first time you need to get the first time the time that you play the video first time using the time now method, and then go to file and then get the file address of the file that you want to play. In this case I want to play this video, and that's why I want to click copy paste. That's why I click copy paste and then go back to code and then paste that here, and then erase the two double quotes and just leave the single quotes, two single quotes, and then forget the R character in front of the strings, and then use the video capture method using and give this file as the argument to show to get the frame, and and then you use the media player method and give the this file as the argument, and then save to player variable. And also before you save the to video player, and then set the font, the font that you want to use as the text. You can use any available constant like this, and then you get here the while. This will do this block of code except if you accept red is 1, or you get the Q press button from user. So what this while do is you get the now the time now using the time dot now, and you subtract or the end time, this one, the end, and then you save the end time return this output of this command, the syntax or instruction. You save that to end time, then you subtract that with the start time that you first that you get the moment the code played, store, run, and then put that on the frame. Frame is this one. Frame is this one. It is a video.read method return that it is a frame by frame. So you will put the text of subtraction between end time and start time to the frame, and then press that on X is 50 and Y 50, and use the font his font type is font type, and use this and then so on. And then this it will show the frame. So basically the frame will be put the text first and then show. Frame is just an image, and then so the put text here just put the text on the image and then put that on the video, and then release the video if the while is completed, and or or user press Q and then close the Windows Windows player open and then close the player for the sound. So you will use sound using FFPPLAYER, and then you get a Alt Q here. If Alt Q is pressed, you can, if you someone press Q, you will get that time now also, and put that in on end time, and then subtract that and subtract the end time with start time with start time also, and then put it on the runtime and then print the runtime. So you will print the runtime on the idle every time you done, or you just want to quit the video or want to finish the video. And also if you want also use when you are releasing the code or finishing the work. So you can do that, you can press that here or not, it's up to you. So every time the video ends, the idle will show you will print the runtime. Is it up to you. Now let's run this code. So this is the output, and you see this yellow label here with the millisecond. And if I press Q, I will quit. It will quit the video and print out the millisecond and the time millisecond in the time that I press the Q button in millisecond. And also if I let the video run until until finish, it will show you I will show you the end of the video here. Will print out the end of video. And also this is also if red is this one is 0, then we will print out the end video. It means that if red is 0, it means it is the end of the video. I hope you like this video, and if you find this good or give you a benefit, don't forget to like, subscribe or comment down below. Thank you very much.